Hi and welcome to another video brought to you by Autowave, UK's #1 Xhorse distributor. So in this video we're going to show you the Xhorse Universal Remote Set. Now it comes in a really nice metal sturdy hard wearing case, and the beauty of this is that you get a selection of remotes which you can replenish as you're using them, and it gives you a really nice display for when you want to give a customer a choice of remotes. So let's have a little look through as what we've got. So at the top we have a range of the VW style wired remotes available in the colours, the waterproof version, the 2 and 3 button wired versions. We've also got some further wired remotes here, including the popular Toyota, Buick style or Vauxhall style if you're in the UK. You've got the Honda style down here, and then you've got some of the separate Hyundai remotes as well. So there's a really good range and selection of the wired standard style remotes. Then in the bottom section you've got some garage remotes, you've got the Toyota style, you also have the knife style which is really popular, Audi style, you've got the selection here, and then you've also got the separate key fob, which again is a wired variation of remote. Now you also have the Chrysler style, which is actually a wireless style remote, as well as the 4 remotes at the bottom, which are also wireless style. Now these are actually the Ferrari style, so you can put a blade inside, you can use your Xhorse blade, and this has got a transponder built in. So you've got a really good selection there, and it's really easy to just open up to a customer and say, which remote style would you like? These are compatible with the KeyTool Plus, the KeyTool Mini, the VVDI 2, the KeyTool Max, and the trusty old original VVDI KeyTool. Thanks for watching. This set is available on our website www.autowave.co.uk. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel.